Welcome back to another GaugeMaster Pro video. Today I'm really excited to show you one of the latest features released recently on GaugeMaster Pro, the Gauge Wizards. If you thought creating dial gauges was fast with GaugeMaster Pro, you will be in awe when you see how fast some industry standard gauges can now be created with the new Gauge Wizards. As the saying goes, an image is worth 1,000 words, so I'll just go straight into the demo. We're going to replicate a quite common double-scale pressure gauge sample. Normally, this would be an already easy task with GaugeMaster Pro, as it was, but you'll still need to create half a dozen layers or so and make sure all match nicely, plus some maths to make sure the two scales are numerically accurate to each other. Now let's see how we would create it with the new pressure gauge wizard in less than a minute. First, we open the pressure gauge wizard. We adjust the arc angle and radius of the gauge we want to create. In the gauge wizard, the inner scale is boss, and we will set it up first. We change the inner scale pressure unit to PSI, then the scale start and end values. The major interval is already at 10. We adjust the minor ticks to 4, remove the mid tick and the tick caps. And that's it for the inner scale. Now that we have the inner scale all set up, we activate the double scale option to add an outer scale, and boom, the outer scale is all done without any effort. Even the counter pressure unit is automatically selected and calculated. We just need to remove the tick caps and adjust the scale colors. The best part of it all is that once happy with the Gauge Wizard's design, you can add the resulting layers to the canvas and adjust any details with the GaugeMaster Pro tools you already love. So we do some quick adjustments to the text layers. And some quick adjustments to the tick marks layers. For now, there is only gauge wizards for temperature and pressure gauges, and limited to integer values. In the future, I'll look into adding other wizards for other common gauges and also improve some of the options within the wizards. I hope you like this new feature as much as I do. See you in the next one.